Hello.
Sir, I have heard about you that you have lot of stories to tell, and I'm so much interested in wildlife stories. Would you tell me some stories?
Why not? Yes, I have a lot of stories.
Yes.
Come, I will tell you the story.
Okay.
You know, in this story, gorilla, who is called Ivan, he narrates the story. So I am going to tell this interesting story. So once upon a time, the family of gorilla who lived in the beautiful rainforest of Central Africa. They used to enjoy the life there. And in this family, there was a brother who called the Mud and a sister who is called the Tag. She was called Tag because she liked to play the tag, which is the game, with her brother. And also Mud is called Mud because he liked to play with the mud in the beautiful forest. So they lived very happy life there. And his father, Silverbike, his name was Silverbike. He was the troop of the family, so-called head of the family. So he used to control the family, and also they had very large family and they enjoyed with each other. Once upon a time, this brother and sister, they went to play far away in the jungle, and meanwhile they were trapped by the humans and they were taken up to the cities by the humans, and later on they were raised up by the humans named Mike and his wife Helen. As they were growing up, this brother and sister, Mud and Tag, very unhappy thing is that meanwhile this Tag dies very tragic death. That's why Mud was not able to adjust. But later on, this humans, so-called this husband and wife, they gave very good care of this Tag. And later on also to this Mud. But always this Mud was remembering his sister because she died. And also this Mud was loved and corrected like any other human. And also he was very mischievous as he grew up with the humans. But one sad thing is that he used to think about his life in the forest. He used to think about his natural parents. He used to think about the natural beauty of the forest, and that something made him to hold on to his feelings, and he used to be very sad. So at night he used to get up and think about his life in the forest, and he used to think of his natural parents. So he was not happy because he was missing his parents and also his sister. But on the other side, he was very much corrected and loved by the humans in the city.
Wow, story seems to be very interesting. How do you analyze the story then?
You know, when you analyze the story is divided into two parts. First is natural beauty of the forest, where the gorilla families enjoyed, and the second one is the human parents who raised the family, so-called brother and sister of this gorilla. When you also analyze the story, we find that anything born in the nature, they enjoy a lot. They enjoy the beauty of nature, and also they had freedom in the nature. They can move anywhere and everywhere they want. They can enjoy jumping from one tree to the other, and also they used to play whatever games they want, or they could go far away and enjoy the beautiful sunset, beautiful nature, and also the rains they to enjoy a lot. Whereas when you analyze the second part of the story, this brother and sister went to they were taken up by the human family and they were raised up by the human family. So they did not have the freedom. They did not have the freedom to go anywhere they want. Though they were loved and cared, and also they were corrected like humans, but as an animal they couldn't enjoy. And also later the sister of mud, so-called Tide, died, and it was a tragic for the mud to live with the human family. But when you see this analysis, we find that one side natural thing is there, another side the human made. So anything comes out of nature is really beautiful and something which is very, very appeasing to the humans. And though humans are appreciating the nature, but this mud was not able to live with the human. And also in this story we find certain similarities and also differences. Like I said before, freedom they had in the forest, and later they did not have freedom. And this mud had to enjoy anywhere and everywhere he could go and enjoy the life. But when he came to the human family, he could not enjoy the freedom and also the beauty of nature. That's why he was thinking about his past life, his parents, and the nature where he lived. And also later on he is given the name of Ivan. So he couldn't realize what name he is given because he was called as mud in the family. So he was very reluctant to accept this name. So we see the two differences thing here. One side nature, another side human made thing.